Hello and welcome back to our channel. Thought I'd do a little quick room tour of where we stayed in Mallorca. Let's have a look. Scoot's mess, we're still unpacking. This is the main room. We've got 2 beds, a single, a little telly, mirror, 2 wardrobes with a safe. This is bathroom. Bit standard, but you know, what you pay for. Shower and bathtub.
We need a plug.
Plug?
Yes. Where
Well, we'll go out later. Our little balcony. And that's our view from our balcony. Nice little view. Walk down that little street there to see. But yeah. And that's a quick room tour. Hopefully we'll do a bit more vlogging while we're here. We didn't do a travelogue because we were that tired. We've had a nightmare. We were on a transfer coach for 3 hours. It was only meant to be a 1 hour commute, but we were on it for 3 hours, so we were all tired. We were up at 2 o'clock this morning. Half one. So yeah, see what we can do tomorrow. Probably go beach, might do a bit of snorkeling, see what's about.
My dad's got some leaflets. We might actually hire a boat.
Oh, we might hire a boat, even better. We'll see. Obviously Sarah's dad's joined us and there's Sarah's stepmom. We've got Sam and Shelley, 2 boys. Ashley and Jay. And they're 2 boys, so big party. But yeah, we'll see.
12 of us.
12 of us, so yeah, we'll see what we find. See what we're going to do. Probably have a walk into the town centre tonight after dinner. And yeah, so we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.